Looking for the perfect unforgettable gift? Look no further. Introducing Executive Maids Gift Cards. Hi, I'm Heather, one of our client concierges here at Executive Maids. They are the ultimate way to show appreciation and love on birthdays, Mother's and Father's Day, for new homeowners, new moms, teachers, pastors, and so much more. Getting a gift card is super easy. Just visit our website and choose your desired amount, starting from $200 and above. With 2 convenient delivery options, you can surprise the recipient instantly by sending the gift card to their email, or add a personal touch by printing it and placing it in a beautiful card. But wait, we have something extra special. Our maid service for a year packages are designed to truly demonstrate how much you care. Don't settle for ordinary gifts. Give the gift of a clean and tidy home with Executive Maids Gift Cards.